Clean cooking adoption in Uganda remains low and still largely dominated by biomass fuels. As of 2024-2025, only between 3.8 and 15% of households use clean and sustainable cooking solutions. Despite surplus electricity generation, adoption of electric cooking continues to face barriers including high appliance costs, cultural preferences, and limited public awareness. To bridge these gaps, Equity Bank Uganda, in partnership with UKAID and the Ministry of Energy and Mineral Development, has launched affordable financing under the Modern Energy Cooking Services Trust Fund to support the uptake of electric cooking technologies nationwide.
For my honor to officially launch the Energy Cooking Services Trust Fund and to reaffirm the interests of government, the interests of the ministry, would want to get those who stay in the kitchen.
Launching the initiative, the Minister of State for Energy, Honorable Kasayo Plot, welcomed the partnership and reaffirmed the government's commitment to enabling private sector solutions in clean energy space.
Access to clean cooking is no longer a peripheral issue in our It is central to Uganda's energy transition agenda, with clean cooking links to our climate action, public health, gender, and broader sustainable development objectives. While we have made progress in electricity generation and access,
the minister noted that the high cost and limited availability of electric cooking appliances have slowed adoption, underscoring the importance of the new financing, particularly for ordinary Ugandans.
E-cooking is only at 2%, but would wish to see it go up to 20% by 2030 or earlier, because of its good attributes. And electricity is also becoming available. But to make this happen, we must have the financing. That's why I would wish to thank Equity for being courageous, and then the British High Commission.
Catherine Somgen, Director for Public Sector and Social Investment at Equity Bank Uganda, said the initiative will help households transition to clean cooking while enabling businesses to operate more efficiently.
What we are doing as Equity Bank, if you remember, the minister mentioned that some of these appliances are not easily accessible. So what Equity Bank is doing is to support the suppliers through trade finance products to actually easily import some of these appliances and be able to scale up and in turn reach as many people as possible.
She revealed that the project will run for 2 years at a total cost of 2.6 billion Ugandan shillings.
It should be running for around 1 to 2 years during this period. And the suppliers will be able to access between 10 to 50 million shillings just to support them in bringing in these technologies. So it's mainly the suppliers of these e-appliances. They're the ones that have the need. That's where the gap is. They're not able to import them in. They're not able to scale up. So we are partnering with UKAID and the Ministry of Energy to support them, one, access them affordably, but also having them available.
UKAID Climate and Energy Policy Officer Lydia Nandaula said the financing reflects the United Kingdom's long-term commitment to supporting Uganda's clean cooking transition as both a climate action and a development priority.
The intention is to strengthen suppliers, crowding further finance and build confidence in the sector, not to replace private capital or to distort the market. Uganda has made real progress in recent years. Evidence generated under the MIX program has shown that electric cooking is viable, increasingly affordable, and preferred by users.
Stakeholders welcomed the initiative, describing it as timely and critical in reducing reliance on biomass fuels.
Such amounts of money, if they come in, they are going to help entrepreneurs such as ourselves to make sure that we don't rely on grant money, but also trying to look at least debt financing. And this one is going to help to accelerate the uptake of the solution in the market. You may appreciate that right now we suffer from the supply chain.
The Modern Energy Cooking Services Trust Fund is financed by the British High Commission through the UKAID and is being implemented by Equity Bank Uganda in partnership with the Ministry of Energy and Mineral Development. The fund targets households, small and medium enterprises, micro businesses, importers, manufacturers, and institutions under government-approved programs, with eligible borrowers able to access financing starting from 30 million Ugandan shillings. John Baptista Homza, Church of Uganda, Family TV News at 8.